My Canary. Time to warm up. Have you, by chance, heard the merry singing of a canary? Canaries are known for their beauty and their song and have been kept as pets since 1400s. They are not companion birds and are better admired from afar. But this doesn't make them any less of a great pet. They do spend a lot of time in their cages, so you need an adequately sized cage with perches on either end to provide them with maximum flying space. Time to recite. Mary had a little bird with feathers bright and yellow, slender legs upon my word. He was a pretty fellow. Sweetest notes he always sung, which much delighted Mary. Often where his cage was hung, she sat to hear canary. Crumbs of bread and dainty seeds she carried to him daily. Seeking for the eagerly weeds, she decked his palace gaily. This, my little readers, learn and ever practice duly. Songs and smiles of love return to friends who love you truly. Comprehension. Time to answer. Answer the following questions. Who had a little bird? What kind of a bird she had? Why does she sit near the cage of the canary? Who did the word him refer to? What did Mary carry for the canary daily? Answer the following questions. Had a little bird. Mary's bird is a. Mary sat by the. Mary fed the bird with crumbs of. Canary is a bird. Clue kit. Singing, bread, cage, canary, Mary. Vocabulary. Time to know new words. Slender, gracefully thin, pretty, attractive, fellow, obliging companion. Notes, pitch of a sound in music. Delighted, feeling or showing great pleasure. Crumbs, pieces. Weeds, valueless plant. Gaily, in a cheerful way. Decked, put up. Complete the following words. Pick out all the rhyming words from the poem. Make sentences to bring out the meaning of these synonyms. Here, here. See, see. Bear, bear. Project work. Time to do. Activity time. Peacock paper plate craft. Materials: paper plate, markers, blues, greens, purples. Blue, green, dark purple, orange, and or gold paint. Template pieces or make your own by tracing their shapes onto construction paper. Scissors, glue, stapler. Directions. On a paper plate, draw lines with blue, green, and purple shades of markers. The lines should all cross in the center of the plate. Have the children dip their index finger into a dark color of paint and make fingerprints here and there on the plate. Now, have the children dip their pinky finger into a lighter color of paint. Tasha used orange in the photo, but you could use yellow or gold as well. And make a pinky fingerprint in the center of each index fingerprint they made in the previous step. Set the plates aside to dry. While that's drying, make the body. Print out the template of choice and color if using the black and white option. Make your own template pieces by tracing the pieces from the black and white template onto a piece of cardboard or the lid of a plastic ice cream container. Cut these out before craft time. Now, let the children trace the pieces onto construction paper. Cut out the template pieces. Assemble the body. The body is the largest piece. It looks a bit like a peanut. The head is the narrow part. Glue the top feathers behind the head. Have the children cut slits about 1/4 inch apart to fringe this piece. Glue on the eyes and beak. You could substitute wiggly eyes for the template ones or just use a black marker to draw on eyes. Staple the body to the bottom of the plate and you are done your peacock.